In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialities. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.